Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is cold call. To cold call is to call a stranger in an attempt to sell a product or service. A cold call can also be a noun, which would be the call made to a stranger in an attempt to sell a product or service. Okay, let me give you some examples. Telemarketing is all about making cold calls. He has been doing a lot of cold calling in an attempt to sell the product. Today's idiom is cold call, to call a stranger in an attempt to sell a product or service. I want to bring up here, you can also use warm call. A warm call would be when you have a lead. Perhaps a friend or colleague introduced you to someone and you mentioned their name. That would be a warm call. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.